Only a couple of months in the wake of uncovering the overhauled A6, Audi has lifted the wraps off the new A6 Avant. The automaker has a talent for adjusting its cars into appealing wagons, and the 2019 A6 Avant is no exemption. It looks totally shocking from each point, mirroring Audi's new plan dialect. The rich wagon consolidates a slanting roofline, a conspicuous single-frame grille, and more solid bodywork. Driven headlights come as standard, while run-topping variations offer HD matrix LED headlights with sunlight running lights. Notwithstanding the sportier styling, Audi demands that reasonableness hasn't been relinquished. The outside measures 16.2 feet long, 6.2 feet wide, and 4.8 feet high, while the inside is significantly bigger than its ancestor. In the fundamental design, the new A6 Avant offers 20 cubic feet of baggage limit and 59.3 cubic feet with the backrests collapsed down. The inside has been for the most part persisted from the A6 Avant's car-kin models furnished with the MMI route. In addition to framework include a 12.3-inch advanced instrument bunch, a 10.1-inch infotainment framework, and a 8.6-inch bring-down show for atmosphere control and comfort. Highlights. Other accessible solace choices incorporate balcony cowhide, open-pore wood trim, and custom-shaped front seats with warming, ventilation and back rub capacities. On the off chance that you truly need to sprinkle out, the S-Line Wear bundle incorporates a head-up show and a 19-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound framework. Shockingly, Audi hasn't given any execution particulars, yet the motor alternatives ought to be the same as the car. All things considered, we can expect the turbocharged 3.0-liter TFSI V6 to extend, which produces 340 strength and 368 pounds-feet of torque, combined with a 7-speed S-tronic transmission and an all-wheel drive framework.